What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on this Biscayne. It's a 1965 model, cold AC, 350 under the hood with aluminum radiator. See, I got it pulled up. We're going to be doing a test drive here shortly. You want to see close to 100 detailed pictures? I got them on every car on the lot. Also have inventory, shipping, and financing available. Just go on over to maplemotors.com. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every single day. We're gonna start up here in the front, kind of go over every flaw that I see. I want you to know exactly what you're getting when you get here. Front bumper looks like it's been replaced on this one. The grill's not all shiny. They got it matted out. It almost looks like they painted it. The car looks pretty straight down the side. They've tinted the front window, all the windows all the way around. Nice and clean looking. This is a 4-speed car. Should be a pretty fun test drive. The tires are in decent shape on this car. Older tires, American racing wheels. Looks like you got a little bit of dry cracking in some of the weather stripping around the windows. They've replaced the mirrors. Door handles look fairly new as well. I'm gonna check the bottoms of these doors. Make sure there's no rust or bubbles or cracks. And it looks pretty solid to me, so I'm gonna keep working our way back here. They painted some of this trim. Not all of it. You can see the back window still nice and shiny, and the trim running down the car looks pretty good. A little ding on top of that one, but nothing major. Tail lights, they look fairly new. Rear bumper's been replaced as well. It's nice and shiny. Cars are known for huge trunks. It's a boat. Look how big this car is. Antenna's got a little bit of rust showing up on the outside of it. Getting down low, making sure I don't miss any bumps, scratches, chips. Looks like a little scratch right here, but actually I think that's wax. It should wipe off. Tires got a lot of meat left on them. There's some rust at the bottom of this door here. That's why I've been checking the bottom of the car. You see those bubbles popping through? Try to run the whole bottom of the car here. There's another spot in the front of this door right here on the passenger side. Driver's side looked good. We made our way around the car. It's time to hit up the interior. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk first. Bench seat in this car. Go ahead and grab the keys out. Well, there we go. New seal around the trunk. It was kind of stuck. Go ahead and lift the mat up. Got some water up under here, some moisture. Definitely gonna let the sun dry it out today. Trunk looks solid. Just gotta get that water out of there. It's probably leaking through the back window majority of the time. And a nice little Kenwood amp back here. I've seen some tweeters and some speakers on the inside there. Modern style radio. All right. Just took a look around the trunk here. Let's see how it shuts. Coming up on the interior, the door panel looks like it's in great shape. That's nice. Weather stripping around the door's been replaced. Under the door, hopefully I'm not getting too close. Looks pretty solid. The jambs look solid. This has been replaced. It does have some dings and stuff on it, but it looks fairly new. Carpet's new. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? The dash is nice and clean. I kind of like that it is tinted on the front windshield. This car would be a lot hotter on the inside right now. It actually feels pretty good. It's not that hot. Package tray looks good. Headliner's in great shape. We'll go ahead and start it up here. This is a digital tach. That's pretty cool. Put her in neutral. We got gauges below the vintage AC that's in here. And yes, it blows cold. I should have waited to do this car when it was real hot. Look at that tach. That's pretty cool. It looks like it's working pretty good too. Let me get it closer. AC's on now. It's blowing cold. And it's just on low. Oh yeah. It's gonna be comfortable. Coming down here, the engine's not quite warm yet. Oil pressure's up at 30. Shoots up closer to 50 when you rev it. Do have the base of the radio in the office. It's showing 99,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. It's a 65 model. This is not gonna be the original motor either. Definitely gonna stop and get gas because I don't know if that's true or not, but we're gonna find out and see if it comes up. It's got some Kenwood tweeters and stuff in here. We'll try the wipers real quick. The wipers do work. Horn. No horn. No horn in this one. Make sure I'm not missing no button. We were on a roll yesterday, and I think every car I had, the horn worked. I'm gonna hop out of here. It's gonna be nice and cool for the test drive. Motor's pretty quiet. See how the hood lines up. Comes down nice and easy. It looks like it's lining up pretty good. There is some blemish marks on top of this fender. It was high, it was hidden from the shadows of the hood. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. Do have close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Like I said in the beginning, we have finance options and transportation options available at that website. We're gonna go ahead and do these undercarriage shots. and we'll get to a test drive right after this. I think I might have to spin y'all around. My camera wasn't giving me enough room to get up under. Okay, here we go. Car's pretty low to the ground. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, definitely visit my website. I've said it multiple times in the video. You can actually see it in the description as well. I normally put all the gear that I use in the description. You can actually pick that up yourself from Amazon. If you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'm posting them every single day. And today, you know what? I feel like it's a Biscayne Impala day. So I'm gonna get it on the roll and get all the new Biscaynes and Impalas online. I ended with an Impala last night, Impala convertible. All right, guys, we're about to go for a test drive. Down in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the test drive link to this car. Any car that you see on our lot you want to see more of, you see it on my website, you're like, oh man, I didn't see the YouTube video of that. You type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors, and you'll get 2 videos of it. That's pretty much every car on the lot. And for an example, it'd be like 1965 Biscayne Maple Motors. 2 videos will pop up. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good one.